In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some super indulgent salted caramel and chocolate pots. We are going to begin by making the salted caramel. For that, place a heavy bottom saucepan over medium heat and add in 170 grams of caster sugar, followed by 70 milliliters of water. Heat it up until the sugar dissolves and leave it to bubble away. It's important here not to stir it. If you stir the caramel at this stage, it will crystallize, and at that point it's hard to bring back. If you do need to mix it slightly, just swirl the pan, but don't get in there with a spoon and mix it. Leave it undisturbed until you can see it change colour to a nice light amber colour. At that stage, add in 160 milliliters of double cream. Stir until the cream and sugar combine into a beautiful caramel, and then take off the heat and add in 50 grams of diced unsalted butter and stir that in until the butter has melted. Finally, finish it with a nice pinch of sea salt and you've got a beautiful salted caramel. Transfer it into a bowl and leave it to the side to cool. Next, we need to make a chocolate ganache. For that, place another saucepan over medium-low heat and add in 150 ml of double cream. Gently warm the cream through until it's hot to the touch but not boiling, and then add in 100 grams of good quality dark chocolate. Stir until the chocolate melts and you've got a beautiful chocolate sauce, and then stir in 5 ml of vanilla extract and 20 grams of unsalted butter. Transfer it into a bowl and leave it to cool. And finally, to finish this dessert, we're going to make a chocolate crumb, or known as a chocolate soil. And this is just going to add a lovely bit of crunch to these chocolate pots. Place another saucepan over medium heat and add in 100 grams of caster sugar and 40 ml of cold water. And just like the caramel, you need to heat this until the sugar dissolves, remembering not to stir this one as well. Keep heating it until it just starts to go amber around the edges, and then we're going to add in 75 grams of finely chopped dark chocolate. And this is where it gets interesting. You'll think that it's not going to work, but trust me, it will. And go straight in with a whisk and coat that chocolate in the melted sugar mixture. It will start to come together and you think it might not work, but a certain reaction happens where suddenly it breaks down into a chocolatey powder. This is really quite fun to make. As soon as that happens, transfer it onto a plate or a piece of parchment paper and leave it to one side to cool before we assemble our chocolate pots. To assemble, begin by placing some of the chocolate soil into the bottom of the glasses and then layer it up with caramel and the chocolate mixture in as many layers as you like. And if you fancy, you can put some of the chocolate soil in between as well. Once the glasses are full, you can just finish the top with a bit more of that chocolate soil. Place them in the fridge to set until you're ready to serve them. You can do these in small shot glasses or larger glasses if you prefer, but I wouldn't fill the large glasses up because it is quite a rich dessert and better to eat in smaller portions. I hope you enjoy making these salted caramel and chocolate pots as much as I did. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.